Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make this color wheel using crayons. We're going to draw the primary colors first, then we're going to mix the primary colors together to make the secondary colors. You'll need a blue, red, yellow, and black crayon. A piece of white paper, this is 12 by 12 inches. A pencil. Something to trace a circle with, either a circle stencil, a bottle cap, a roll of tape would even work. Get your circle that you're going to trace and take your pencil or black crayon to draw with. I'm going to draw with black crayon because it shows up better on the camera. Put your circle at the top of your page in the middle. Hold it still with one hand and trace a circle around it. So it makes a funny noise. Then go to the bottom left, put your hand at the bottom left of your paper and put your circle above that because you want to space out these circles. Hold it still, trace it. Go to the right of your paper, put your hand down, put your circle above it so it's the same height as this one, and trace it. Now I'm going to take yellow and the top circle will be colored yellow, like the sun. So color that in. Try to stay inside the lines. The next color we need is the color of a tomato, red. The bottom left circle will be colored red. The third primary color is the color of a blueberry, blue. It's okay if you go out of the lines a little bit. I'm going to connect these three circles with a solid black line. So if I'm going to draw a line from the red circle to the yellow, diagonal line. Next, a line from yellow to blue, another diagonal or slanted line. And then from red to blue, a horizontal line going across left to right. That makes a triangle, and these are the three primary colors, the first colors. With these three, we're going to make the secondary colors next. I'm going to take my circle stencil to trace, put it in between the red and the yellow, hold it still, trace around it with the black crayon, lift it up, move it over here between yellow and blue, make another circle, get up, put it right on the bottom in the middle in between red and blue. Now it's time to fill them in. So I'm going to mix these colors to make the secondary color. So first let's start here. I'm going to mix yellow and red to make orange. Let's see if it works. First I'm going to put red down. I like to start off lightly. Now I'm going to use yellow and I'm going to press a little bit harder and try to get the yellow and the red to mix. The yellow and the red pigment from the crayons are mixing together to make the color orange. Now in this circle, we're going to mix yellow and blue. So I'm going to start off with blue. I'm going to use it lightly, light pressure. Now I'm going to take yellow and I'm going to press harder with the yellow and mix those two colors together. It's already starting to make the color green. Now I'm going to the bottom circle. It's in between red and blue. So I'm going to mix those two colors here and make purple or violet. I'm going to start off with red first. Light pressure with the red. Now to mix the blue with the red, press a little bit harder. And I'm going to go back over with more red to really get them to mix together. Starting to make a purplish color. Maybe a little more blue. Now that the secondary colors have been made, I'm going to connect them with another triangle, but this triangle is going to use the dashed or dotted line. So from orange to purple, let's make a line that looks like that. And then from purple to green, I'm going to make another dashed line. Now a horizontal line from orange to green. The solid lines connect the primary colors. The dashed lines connect the secondary colors. So the primary colors, yellow and red, make orange. Yellow and blue make green, blue and red make purple. You can label your color wheel by writing the words color wheel in the center. C-O-L-O-R. And then wheel is W-H-E-E-L. Color wheel. And then if you want, you can label all of the colors too. So at the top we have yellow. Green is next, then blue, At the bottom, we have purple. Red. And last, orange. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learning how to make a color wheel. We also learned how to make the secondary colors by mixing primary colors together. Yellow and red made orange, yellow and blue made the secondary color green, and red and blue mixed together made purple. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.